Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a grocery haul from Walmart and ALDI's. We spent a total of $150 for 2 weeks for a family of 7. So stay tuned and I will show you guys everything that I got. So the first thing is that case of 40 water bottles. And Jordan, you left stuff on the floor, dude. You cleaned out the refrigerator and left stuff on the floor. So let's start over here and work our way. So I got onion, and this is exactly 8 onions. I cooked 8 days out of the 14. 2014, yeah. I cook 8 days out of the 14. So I cook Monday through Thursday. Fridays are Yo-Yo, and Saturdays and Sundays, Roberto, which is my husband, he's responsible for the weekends. So yeah, I got onions. Most of the times I don't use a onion a day. I don't use a onion a day. So yeah, but this is perfect for 2 weeks. And then Jackson's birthday is coming up on Monday, so he requested, so each child on their birthday, we celebrate them on their day. So if we're doing a party, we'll do that separate, but on their actual birthday, we celebrate them. So his grandparents are bringing the cake, so I don't have to worry about that. But he requested for his birthday dinner spaghetti and meatball. That's his favorite food. So I got this thing of spaghetti. It's huge, and this could do for them and my husband's parents and sister that are coming on Monday. We don't eat pasta, so this is just for the kids and my in-laws. So this is huge though, and we don't eat pasta anymore. We don't buy that anymore and bring it in the house. So that's that. And then for Rob, he picked up 2 things of Shady Brook because he likes these for his meal. And those are just turkey. And then for Jackson, he wanted meatball, so this is for Jackson on Monday. And then I got chicken breast. It was $2 off, so I paid $5 for this big thing of chicken breast. And this is 2 meals. This is 2 meals for a family of 7. So I will slice them in half and use the first layer and then the second layer for another meal. And then I got 2 things of drumstick, 2 things of chicken thighs. I use these for curry chicken, brown stew chicken, and I use these for salads when we make salads or a stack. I got a thing of Great Value 12-pack strawberry and banana yogurt for the children's lunches.
Do we put these in the layer?
Sure, grab them. So all the meats are done, so you can stick them. She wants to eat her lunch. They can't eat until everything is put away. And then for children's lunches, I found that these work and they like them, and they're a much healthier option than chips. So I just get 2 bags of mini pretzels, and this works for 2 weeks. And then I do the pretzel stick and I mix the 2, and it lasts for 2 weeks as a snack for the children. I saw this guy on clearance. We're trying to stray away from sugary cereal, but this was on clearance for $1.13, and it's a really decent sized bag, like that. And I just picked that up. Got some cabbage, some cauliflower. We have 2 things of macaroni and cheese for the children's lunches. I told you guys I wasn't going to buy that anymore, but I'm getting tired of just making them sandwiches. I need a little bit of variety for them. I have some creamy peanut butter here, and I got that from ALDI. And then I got some white cheddar cheese crackers because Madison is starting preschool on Monday. And yeah, so I got this for her. And we have some chicken and turkey deli slices. These were 99 cents at ALDI's, and you know you girls stacked up too. $1 for oranges, at least a ton of them. Yeah, I got me 1, 2, 3, 4 bags for $4. Not bad. Not bad when you have a bunch of children to feed. So that's good. That way they can have a bit of fruit back in their lunches. And then I got some mixed vegetables, because these are staple in our meals now. So I got a bag of mixed vegetable, 2 pounds, and then some sweet peas, 2 pounds, and then some whole, yes, and then some whole kernel corn, and I was getting ready to say something. 2 pounds. I don't know what happened. I got some broccoli, florets. We got some broccoli florets for Rob's lunches this week. He's switching it up. What else? We have 2 things of hot dog buns. We have 4 loaves of bread. 3 is gonna go in the freezer right now. 1 is gonna stay out. We have some white potato, russet potato, right here. We use these in curry, brown stew chicken, whatever we need to make like a saucy meal. We use these. Yeah. We got 2 things of sweet potato because Rob is trying to cut back on the sweet potato. So we just got 2. Bread's done. 3 go in the freezer and 1 stay out. The potatoes done too. Then I got a bag of dollar apples. The kids love these in their oatmeal, so I just got the really tiny one. Yeah. And Rob likes these. What are these? Chili peppers. Are these chili peppers, Rob? Jalapenos. These look like chili peppers. We got coleslaw. Love these. OMG. Coleslaw. Try coleslaw with sweet Vidalia onions. Ooh, baby. Talk about a nice little lunch, and it's just like really healthy for you. This is how I've been losing the weight like really fast. It's this is my baby right here. This is it. Like I will have a cup of this, a little bit of this, and some boiled eggs, a can of tuna, and your girl is good to go. Yeah, that's done. Then I got some peppers because I'm gonna do fajitas for one of my meals. Got tomato. I got 8 tomatoes for my meal because I use them in salad. I use them in my brown stew chicken. I use them in my curry. So I need my tomatoes. 2 bags of classic iceberg salad because when I do my chicken Caesar salad, this is what I use. And this one looks like it's a little touch. So I got 2 bags of that. And then Rob got banana. Rob loves his banana. Not so much the kids. The kids are not banana fans. But Rob loves his banana, so we got him a little bit of green banana so that they can, ripe slowly. Got some baby carrots for the children's lunches. These are a staple, sour cream, because we can't have a meal without sour cream. Ranch dressing. We have some bone broth beef. This is what Rob used on the road when, he needs a quick meal. Rob has lost over 30 pounds, guys. I lost 35. Rob lost 30. So combined, we have lost 65 pounds. That's amazing. Just by changing our lifestyle, because we're not big on exercise or anything. It's just our eating habit has changed, and we've managed to lose that much. So pretty sure in a few weeks we'll be going to the gym. But for right now, we are concentrating on the eating part before we go full force with the exercise. We just go for a walk. Anyways, I'm rambling. So we got this. This is a staple in our house. We love that. Almond Crunchy Honey Oat. This is Destiny's favorite cereal of all times. That's what she eats every single day for breakfast because 2 of my children are in private school, and private school does not provide lunches or breakfast. So I have to provide that for her. And then I got 6 things of eggs. We figured it would be much cheaper since Walmart is kind of like, iffy on their 60 things of eggs, so we just got 6 of these, which were 88 cents. We split up the transaction because at ALDI you can only do 3, limit 3, so we split it up. We got 3 things of brown rice because we no longer have white rice in our home anymore. We don't feed the children white rices, so it's just small little victories that I'm able to celebrate every month. We're able to continue to feed our children the same way we feed ourselves. 1 avocado for my lunch right now. Slices of cheese for their lunches. This is my go-to if I'm doing like a water fast or I'm doing any kind of fast or whatever. This, I slice a little bit of this and snack on it, and it's so good. I love snacking on cheese. Crunchy peanut butter. This is my go-to. I'm the only one in this house that eats crunchy peanut butter. Like, I love this stuff. I wish they had the big tub, but they don't. I don't know why they don't sell big tubs of crunchy peanut butter. Maybe it's just me. 3 things of cucumbers. Tuna for Rob, just in case he eats all his protein the night before, because I make enough for him to have leftover to go to work. And if he eats all of that, he'll go back for seconds, because sometimes my brown stew chicken just be like on point. Like, you know, I'm gonna link that so you guys can go learn how to make brown stew chicken. But if he eats all of that, he got his, you know, tuna and his sardines. So he has 1 in mustard, 1 in oil, and 1 in hot sauce. And these things stinks to heaven. This is for Jackson's birthday meal on Monday. And then for the children's snack, I got a vanilla pudding, I got a butterscotch, I got applesauce, and then what's this? Chelo. So this is always their snack. Maddie starts school on Monday, and of course I'm gonna send her with our pantry. I'm gonna send her with juice pouches for the first week, just to get her, you know, something special for her. This is Jackson's peanut butter cup ice cream for tonight. So we're celebrating it all weekend long. So he chose peanut butter cup, and he also chose pizza for lunch. And he got an outfit, and he's just like running the show around here. Put that in the freezer, it's melting. And then we did 2% gallon of milk. This is for Jackson's meal on Monday. So this is the Texas toast. And then we have 2 things of, hot dogs. And that's it, folks. I mean, these kids are on a roll. Love it, love it, love it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.